So my dear students, my humble request to practice good handwriting. Practice makes the man perfect. I am going to repeat the same sentence in each and every class to make you aware about the handwriting. Practice only help us to get good handwriting. So practice well. Okay? And even though it is taking more time to write lucida than the other writings of cursive or split or whatever it may be, just practice will get rid of that problem. You will get rid of that problem by this practice. For example, take a paragraph of 5 lines and write today. Write down the time and the same paragraph continue to write on tomorrow also. Like this process will be continued. After 1 week, definitely the paragraph which is taken to write 10 minutes on the first day, you may be able to write the same paragraph within 5 minutes after 1 week practice. It is true. If you want to check it, you can practice for 1 week and then you can get good handwriting. You can get an idea to how the time is reduced with the practice. Okay. Next, into how many zones all the letters of English alphabet are divided, and the names of those zones, upper, middle and lower, and as well as the middle zone, the mixed zone also. Okay. And we practiced the upper zone letters, middle zone letters, lower zone letters and as well as the mixed zone letters. After that we practiced the capital letters also, and one capital, one small letters also we have practiced on the board and as well as in your notebooks. Now I am going to write some words using these capital and small letters. Okay, each and every word is started with the capital letter. The remaining letters we have to write the small letters. Each and every word is started with the capital. The remaining letters we have to write the small letters. Okay, just you also have to practice in your notebooks. What I am going to write on the board, you also have to practice here in your notebooks. First, I will write some words in the first line, then I will give a gap of 2 or 3 minutes to write those words. After that, I will continue to write the second line. Then I will ask you to write the second line also in your notebooks. Similarly, all the letters of English alphabet, using all these letters of English alphabet, we are going to write the words now. Okay. Now I am going to start with the letter A. A I have written with the capital letters, started with the capital letter, and the remaining letters I am going to write, they are the small letters. Aware with B. Best with C. cinema, and with D, deer, with E, at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words I have written on the board in the first line. Please copy those words in your notebooks also, but with care and interest you should write. Without interest you cannot get good handwriting. Aware, best, cinema, dear, earth. These 5 words you have to write. I will stop for a while. After writing those 5 words, I will write in the second line also. Each and every word is started with the capital. The remaining letters we have to write the small letters. Okay, now I am going to start with F. FAST, fast, with G. GOLD, gold, with H. Heart, with I. Island, with J. JOURNEY, journey. Now copy these words of the second line also. You should copy these 5 words again in your notebooks. Fast, gold, heart, island, journey. This is not a sentence. Separate words I am going to write in the line. Keep in your mind that how I have taught you to write all the letters of English alphabet. Each and every letter I have shown you how to write. So, the way of writing must be kept in your mind. In that way only you have to write. Okay. Now I am going to start with K. K, capital K, E, small e, and Y, small y. L, link, M, moon, N, nurse, O, obey, with P it is parallel. And now write these six words also in your notebooks. Write the third line also. Starting the word with capital and the remaining letters we have to write the small letters. Handwriting needs a passion, my dear students. Handwriting needs a passion. Without passion, we cannot get our good handwriting. We should enhance our handwriting with good passion and interest. Okay? And practice makes the man perfect. Only with the practicing we can get or we can enhance our handwriting. Key, link, moon, nurse, obey, parallel. Okay, now I am going to write the other words starting with Q. Q, the next word is rest, R-E-S-T, rest. The next word is sun, sun. With T, try, T-R-Y, try. With U, uncle. With V, VOICE, voice. Total 6 words I have written. Q, rest, sun, try, uncle, voice. These are not the sentences, children. These are only the words which are written with all the letters of English alphabet. Just I am writing continuously to avoid or to escape from the congestion of the board. At once we have to write many words. That's why I am using this procedure. Otherwise I will write separately. Q, rest, sun, try, uncle, voice. Copy these words also in your notebooks. After that I will erase the board and I will write the remaining words also. First you have to determine in your mind to learn good handwriting or to enhance your handwriting. First you have to determine. There is an English proverb that is the seed of achievement lies in the human mind. It means in each and every human mind the seed of achievement, it means the idea of the development is laid, but all the seeds cannot become as the trees because the lack of determination and dedication. So many their dreams will remain unfulfilled. Okay? To get what do you want, you have to determine in your mind. For that, what you have determined, for that you dedicate your time and your cut. You have to dedicate your time first you have to determine in your mind. For that, what you have determined, you have to dedicate your time, your leisure. Then only you can get whatever you want. Okay, I will write the word with W. World. Next with X. It is Xerox. Next with Y. Yarn. Y-A-R-N, yarn. And with Z, Z-O-N-E, June. These are the words which are written with the help of all the letters of English alphabet. After this, I will write some words, not 26, but some words I will write in a 2 lines pattern and as well as on plain surface also. Just copy these letters, words in your notebooks first. Okay. I will stop for a while to give you writing, to give you time for writing. Okay, students. Now, I am going to write some words in 2 lines pattern. Not all 26 words, but 4 or 5 words I will write on the board within the 2 lines and as well as in the plain surface also. Just observe me. One thing you should not forget, the students, those who are writing in the 2 lines pattern, you should not forget to divide this space which is laid between these 2 lines and this space, divide it into 2 equal halves. One half is the base zone and the second half is upper zone. Okay? Similarly, I am going to write amaze. Bangle. Catch. Desert. These are the words which are written in the 2 lines by using the capital and the small letters. But don't forget to divide this two lines pattern into two equal halves, and first half is the base zone, the second half is the upper zone. And whenever you are going to write these lower zone letters to explain you the difference between the lower zone in 4 lines pattern and this 2 lines pattern, I have written this much long G here. If you are writing in 4 lines pattern, G will be permitted up to here only. In the 2 lines pattern, there is no any restriction for the size of this letter, but according to the size of the base zone, we have to give the stroke. If the stroke is clashed with the next line, it means another line will be there. Another line will be here, no. You have to write on this line also. If the strokes of the lower zone letters are clashed with the letters of the next line, you should reduce the size of the lower zone letters. Like this you can write. Okay? Or adjust the space of the word a little bit forward or backward when you are writing in the second line. If the stroke of the lower zone letter is clashed with the words of the second line, just adjust the words of the second line a little bit forward or a little bit backward. Okay? So now I am going to write the same words on the plane surface also. Without using any lines. Amaze, bangle, catch, and desert. These are the words which are written on the plane surface. Okay? Even though we have written on the plane surface, if we divide a word into like this, if we divide this word or the letters of the words into the different zones, all the letters should be in the uniform size. That knowledge will be gained by the student with good practice only. Okay? Practice in 4 lines first. After that, easily you can get the knowledge of the zones, the strokes, and how our handwriting will looks very beautiful. Okay? Thank you very much.